Hello everyone. In last class we already studied about the common nomenclature of alcohol. Today is IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol. IUPAC name of alcohol is alkanol. Alkanol. Alkane plus ol. According to IUPAC rule, if a main functional group start with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, then E of alkane remove from there, and a vowel attached with the parental hydrocarbon chain alkane. So IUPAC name of alcohol is alkanol. Next rule, if in alcohol molecule in hydrocarbon chain or parental hydrocarbon chain have more than 2 carbon, parental hydrocarbon chain more than 2 carbon, then number or position will must for functional group A alcohol or a OH. For example, we have CH3CH2OH molecule, another CH3OH molecule, and a CH3CH2CH2OH molecule. This molecule have only 1 carbon, this have 2, but this molecule have a total 3 carbon, means more than 2 carbon are present in this compound. So IUPAC name of CH3OH is methanol according to alkanol. Alkane denote the number of carbon in chain, and OL is a suffix of a functional group OH. So IUPAC name of CH3OH is methanol. Meth or methane denote the number of carbon 1, ol denote the suffix of OH. Another example, CH3CH2OH is ethanol. Eth denote the 2 number of carbon. Next example, 3 carbon are present, means more than 2 carbon, and according to IUPAC rule, if in parental hydrocarbon chain more than 2 carbon are present, then position or number will must for main functional group A, and we already know about the IUPAC rule. Main functional group A have always minimum number. So this carbon have 1, 2 and 3, and IUPAC name of this compound is parental hydrocarbon chain propane plus ol, but OL present on first carbon. So propane 1 ol, propane 1 ol. between number and name hyphen, number and name hyphen. IPC naming. Compound have more than 2 carbon like 3, 4, 5, then number or position will must for main functional group A, and according to IPC rule minimum number for main functional group A or a hydroxyl group. Next, another example. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Total number of carbon 4. Then IPC name is butane 1-ol. Total number of carbon 5. Then pentane 1-ol. Next example, total number of carbon in parental hydrocarbon chain 4, but hydroxyl group A, OH group A attached with the mid carbon, not first carbon. So number will must due to presence of more than 2 carbon, and minimum number for a main functional group A, so numbering will start from left side or right side. Left side or right side, then answer is right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second number carbon have hydroxyl group present, but number will start from left side, then hydroxyl group present on second number carbon or third number carbon, then 1, 2, 3, 4. OH have 3, OH have 2. Minimum number is 2, then right method, it's a wrong method. IPC name of this compound is a butane 1-ol or butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Next, valency complete with hydrogen CH. In this compound, 2 types substitute group are present. One substitute group is main functional group A and another is only substitute group A. For example, CH3 and OH. OH is a functional group A and CH3 is a substitute group. According to IPC rule, if in a compound more than one substitute group A or more than one functional group are present, then main functional group A only one and another substitute or another functional group A are work like as only substitute group. CH3 substitute, OH functional group. फंक्शनल ग्रुप सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप है, इनको डिसाइड कैसे करें? विच ग्रुप इज ए सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड विच ग्रुप इज ए मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? देन अकॉर्डिंग टू IPC रूल, इफ एनी ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन परफरेंस टेबल, then these type substitute group work like as a functional group, and if any group absent in preference table, then it's a work like as only substitute group. We know CH3 not present in preference table, but OH present in preference table, so OH is functional group and CH3 is a substitute group. Now according to IPC rule of naming, substitute group starting में आएगा, after then parental hydrocarbon chain, after then main functional group with the position. If in a hydrocarbon chain more than one functional group are present, means all group are present in preference table. It means all are functional group. In this case, one is main functional group and another functional group work like as a substitute group. But in this example, methyl absent in table, OH present in table. So CH3 substitute and OH functional group. Now rules of IUPAC naming: substitute group, after then parental hydrocarbon chain, and after then main functional group with a position. Substitute group have must a position. Functional group have and also substitute group have. So OH, this CH3, minimum number for a OH or CH3. Minimum number for OH or CH3, then answer is a minimum number for always main functional group, not a substitute group. So naming will start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Third number carbon have methyl substitute group and first number carbon have hydroxyl or alcohol main functional group, and IUPAC name is 3-methyl butane 1-ol. 3-methyl butane 1-ol. Third number carbon have substitute methyl. IUPAC rule: substitute group comes first. After then parental hydrocarbon cell, total number of carbon in compound 4 carbon butane. After then OH, and suffix of OH is ol. Suffix of OH is ol. So IUPAC name of this compound is 3-methyl butane 1-ol. Another example: this compound have parental hydrocarbon chain. It's a substitute and it's a main functional group. So name of this compound, according to IUPAC rule, numbering will start from left or right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's right method because OH for minimum number. So IUPAC name of this compound is, substitute group comes first in a IUPAC naming. So 4-methyl 6-carbon parental chain hex. Between 2 carbon have only single bond. So N, E will remove from here because OH suffix ol, and ol, O is a vowel. So E will remove from here, and OH present on second number carbon, so 2-ol. IUPAC name is 4-methyl hexane 2-ol. Another OH, this carbon have CH3 and this have also CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. In this compound, more than one substitute group CH3, CH3, 2 CH3 are present. So numbering will start which side? OH side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If in parental hydrocarbon chain more than one substitute group are present, then each substitute group for each time numbering will show. Name is 3, 3. Third number carbon have 2-methyl, means 3, 3. For 2-methyl, prefix is di. Then 3,3-dimethyl pentane 1-ol. 3,3-dimethyl pentane 1-ol. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल और देखना इसमें, 6 कार्बन इन पेरेंटल चेन CH3 and C2H5. CH3, एक कार्बन को और CH3. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इन पेरेंटल हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन 6 और 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Substitute group है 2 and both are different substitute group. Means if in compound more than one substitute group are present and these are different, then naming of a substitute group according to alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, methyl M and ethyl E, alphabetical order. So IUPAC name of this compound is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For ethyl or for methyl, we know ethyl comes first and methyl after. So 4 ethyl, 4 methyl, 4 ethyl, 4 methyl, 7 carbon. So hept, single bond between 2 carbon, N and 1 ol. IUPAC name of this compound is 4-ethyl 4-methyl heptane 1-ol. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसमें हम एक मेथड और पढ़ेंगे जो होगा कार्बिनोल मेथड. नेक्स्ट जो हम पढ़ेंगे कार्बिनोल मेथड, उसमें नेमिंग का क्या रूल होगा वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखते हैं.